You are not actually ugly. The real problem is 7 bad habits that are unknowingly training your face to look worse every single day, and you don't even notice them. Every lazy habit you repeat is quietly destroying your facial harmony, blurring your jawline, and aging you before your time. Most guys blame genetics because it's an easy excuse, but the brutal truth is that your habits are either sharpening your look or sabotaging it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those 7 habits are and how to eliminate them before they become your default look. Let's start. First, poor sleep is a biological disaster for your face. When you cheat on sleep, your body produces less testosterone and more cortisol. This is why your face looks puffier, your eyes develop dark circles, and your skin looks like gray paper. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's about looking weak and losing your masculine presence. Fix your sleep by being strict with a 7 to 8 hour schedule. When your sleep is dialed in, your face literally tightens up and your skin clears without any extra effort. Second, constantly looking down at your phone is the silent jawline killer. This creates a nerd neck that buries your jaw into your neck and makes your face look soft. But here is what most guys miss: your tongue posture. If your tongue is sitting at the bottom of your mouth, you are losing your facial structure. The fix is to keep your phone at eye level and start mewing. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth and pull your shoulders back. It's the closest thing to a natural facelift and makes your jawline appear sharper instantly. Third, neglecting basic grooming is like putting a cheap frame on a masterpiece. Messy hair, unkept eyebrows, and dry skin create visual noise that distracts people from your best features. Grooming isn't about being overly polished. It's about removing the mess so your best features can stand out. A clean haircut and a basic skincare routine can take you from average to elite in minutes. When you look sharp, people automatically assume you have discipline and confidence. Now, this next one is the silent killer: a lack of physical activity. When you stay inactive, your circulation drops and your face stays soft. Increased body fat shows up directly in your face as bloating and reduced definition. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's for your facial structure. Lifting weights boosts the hormones that make your face look more masculine and sharp. You don't need an extreme routine, but consistent movement creates a leaner, more defined look that is impossible to fake. Fifth, poor diet choices are damaging you from the inside out. Your face is a direct reflection of your gut. If you're eating processed sugar and junk, your face will look inflamed and acne-prone. Most guys ignore the connection between inflammation and facial bloating. Shifting toward whole foods and staying hydrated will literally shrink the puffiness in your cheeks and reveal your real bone structure. When your diet is clean, your face looks healthy and attractive. Sixth, chronic stress is not just a mental issue, it's a visible one. High cortisol breaks down your skin quality and creates a constantly tense facial expression that makes you look older and unapproachable. Stress literally ages you and ruins your vibe. Learning to manage it through exercise and mental discipline helps relax your face and improves your overall presence. A calm and controlled face is infinitely more attractive than one that looks overwhelmed and drained. Finally, the most dangerous habit of all is inconsistency. This is what cancels out every improvement you try to make. Most guys fix their routine for 3 days, don't see a model in the mirror, and quit. Real transformation happens when small habits compound over time. Looking better is about daily repetition, not occasional effort. When you stay consistent, the results become impossible to ignore. That's how you unlock your real face. If you're serious about improving your look, then hit the subscribe button. But let's be real, even if you fix all these habits, if you're still rocking those old heavy fade hairstyles in 2026, then this video alone won't save your look. Don't just watch and leave with an unfinished transformation. Click on the video on your screen right now. I'll meet you there and we'll fix your hair next.